All right, here we go. Big Bertha, numero dos, in La Casa of Lint Lovers. It's been 2 weeks. I had someone ask me today in person, how often are you supposed to clean those? And I said, well, every 2 weeks. Honestly, these are made to go a little bit longer. A little longer because of the way they're made, and I'm going to show you here in a second. Ideally, you should probably clean them every few days, once a week. But see, look at that. So when that lint gets heavy like that, see how it's hanging off that screen? It gets heavy, and then it drops down and gets ready for more. So I'm going to stay right here while you pull that screen. I'm not afraid. It fell, see? So it gets heavy, it falls, and then it's ready for more. The only thing that's, I mean, it does mess with the efficiency probably. But again, we're not open to the public. It's just my efficiency. It's my energy. The way that it loses that efficiency is see how it gets drawn back there. But again, it's not around that hole. So too tight. This one's big. Big Bertha number 2. Oh yeah, and it's tight. Oh yeah, that's that fine lint. All right. Oh yeah, ooh, look at that magic stick. All right, let's get that vacuum fired up. So we had a little issue. We forgot to clean this one out before we did the Big Berthas. It just stopped taking it. And actually that came out the front. So what we're gonna do is we went, instead of cleaning this midstream, we went and got little mama here, who does need some eyeballs. Probably some eyeballs with eyelashes, that'd be cute. So we're gonna try to fill that one up. We're gonna empty them both, do the over under, but let's get fired up. Like the old days. Trying to break this up for you. Hold on. Ooh. That's why we don't use that one. All right. That's why we don't use that little turd. I cannot take anything at all. How did we do that all those years with that little thing? Makes me wonder if there's something better out there than that.
I was going to say, is there something bigger than that guy?
Probably. Someday we're going to look back and say, why did we use that big turd? Screen's in. Time for the doors. Chain 1. Chain 2. Good job, Kathy. Big Bertha number 2. Done.